So Mangudlong Rock Resort. Look at the view. It's very nice today, having a very relaxing moment at look like a bikini bottom. I hope there's SpongeBob. I'm so excited to jump. Wee! That was a blast. I'm so excited to go again. I'm still scared of heights, but I love to swim. And it's a perfect day to go swimming at Mangudlong. I jump again, jump again. I almost jump out of the water. It was the biggest splash in the world, even the world. Swimming. Picture, I'm gonna do it again. Okay, 1, a 2, a 3, a 4. I jumped. So fun. I'm so excited. So I like the seas like floating for me. The rocks is like whoa. It's your turn. Whee! Next my turn. Whee! Wait, where's me? Oh, where's me? Where's me? Where's me? There I go. Whee! Oh, jeez. Whee! Again and again, I love jumping from a cliff. It's my favorite thing when I get in the beach. I'm so excited again. I almost lost my slippers when I jumped very deep. I was brave. I was strong, like anybody can be. I'm the hero of the people of here. Oh, there's the payag thing. Okay. There's sands. Okay. Oh, nice tropical vibes. I love the tropical vibes. The actually tropical vibes are the coconut trees. So that is the tropical vibes. Oh, so excited to go again.
Uy, sara na, babe.
Turned.
What is Papa?
I'm carrying, by the way. Go first. I don't like in the deep because I will struggle to swim. Like what I'm gonna do when I swim at the deep and then no one gonna get me. So that's why I like here at the shore because my dad is there. So, yeah. So I'm gonna jump many times. When I first jumped, it was very scary. When I jumped for once, I jumped a little while. Whee! So I jump until it's almost home time. But not like home time. After 9 jumps, I go to the sand place and our secret caves. I love swimming. Goodbye.